Hello guys, it's Dale here, and today I'd like to talk about a day trading idea on the S&P 500 index. But before we go to the charts, I'd like to tell you that there is a very strong upcoming macro news today. It is the FOMC macro news, and this could very strongly affect the S&P index. So you definitely want to be careful with trading the S&P when the news is released. I'm talking about the Federal Funds Rate and the FOMC press conference. There is also this news, but this is not as significant as the FOMC. So be careful around trading this, around the news. So if the support I'm going to show you is hit during the news, I don't recommend trading it. That would be extremely risky. Alright? So let's now check out the chart. This is the chart of the ES, that's futures for Standard & Poor's Index. And in here there are a couple of things that I'd like to show you. First thing is that there is a strong uptrend, strong and aggressive buying activity. This is telling us that aggressive buyers are pushing the price upwards. So when you use the volume profile over the uptrend area, then it will show us this significant volume cluster. Let me print a line there, because that's the strong support. So this is it. This is a strong support at 42.53, and this volume cluster represents a place where the strong buyers who were manipulating the price to shoot upwards were adding to the long positions, right? Those are the volumes which they placed in this rotation area. So when there's a pullback to this heavy volume zone, then I expect those buyers to start defending this heavy volume zone, the zone where they placed their longs, and they should push the price upwards from there again. Now, there are also a couple of more things that I like about this support. Another thing is that if you look at this gray profile, this one, then this is a profile that shows volume distribution throughout the whole previous week and also throughout this current week. So in the last 2 weeks, the heaviest volumes were accumulated in here. Do you see that? That's the heaviest volume peak in here. This is the point of control, the weekly point of control. So the heaviest volumes throughout the last 2 weeks were traded here at our support level, right? This definitely adds strength to it, right? Heavy volumes are strong support and resistance zones. Now, another thing that adds strength to our level is that the price was reacting to this zone in the past, in here, also small reaction in here. Now, I know that this is not exactly at the level, but it is in the general area, and I still count this as a confluence that adds strength to our support, right? Those two reactions. Those two reactions are telling us that this worked as a resistance in the past, and now, when the price blew past that resistance, the resistance turned into the support, right? So this is price action confirmation of our volume-based level. And there's also one more. There's also a confirmation on VWAP, more precisely on the first deviation of the VWAP. So VWAP, that's the yellow line in here. This is a VWAP. Now the two gray lines, this one and this one, those are first deviations of VWAP. Now, when the price is above first deviation, like in here, then the first deviation is supposed to work as a support. The price should bounce off that support. Now, the VWAP is moving, and because volumes and price are currently above the first deviation of the VWAP, it's likely that it will move like this, and it would get closer to our level. So when there's a pullback, it's likely that the first deviation of a VWAP will be around the area And if it is, then it will be another nice confluence to add strength to our volume-based level, right? So all those are things why I think that the 42.53 is a strong day trading support. Just a little recap, it's the volumes in here, that's the trend setup, then those heavy volumes accumulated throughout the last 2 weeks, then the deviation of VWAP, and then those reactions which are telling us that this was a resistance in the past, which now turned into a support. All right, so all those things are telling us that this should work as a strong support. So we just need to wait for a pullback and take it from there. Just make sure that you don't trade it if the support is hit during the FOMC release or during the FOMC press conference that comes after that. Alright, so that's about that. If you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and the next best step is go to trading course and tools. So you click that, you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is an educational pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile. And there is a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course. It includes my day trading and swing trading levels that you'll be getting each day. It also includes volume profile indicators that I developed and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, it also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support team will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, and that's also about this video. I hope you guys liked it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!